Hybrid Development International proudly introduced the new innovative HDi Clamp. The HDi Clamp is made of T6061 lightweight aluminum. It is a high-pressure air or liquid conduit joiner. It has an impressive operating pressure of up to 450 psi in some applications and is designed to withstand temperatures of over 250 degrees Celsius. It is specially designed with a smooth internal connection to minimize flow disruption between two joiners. This video will demonstrate how easy it is to assemble once connected to piping. Installation video. The HDi Clamp has a double O-ring groove design. The silicone O-rings are easily installed by sliding them into place. A single O-ring can withstand 250 psi and a double of 450 psi of liquid pressure. A light lubrication of the O-ring will allow the outer sleeve to slide on smoothly yet remain firm. Next, connect half of the self-locking rings to the outer sleeve. Make sure you line up the second half to the opposite end. Then, gently push the ends until they snap into position. This now completes the connection. The HDi Clamp is designed specifically for all aspects of the automotive racing industry and is perfect for custom fabrication where extreme performance and reliability is needed.
You will for each side of the intercooler pipe. Place the O-rings over one sleeve, put it together. Lock it together. That's it.
Our clamp is specially designed to suit your intercooler piping, cold air intakes, turbo piping, or custom applications. Please contact us for further details or custom requirements. HDi Design, Test and Manufacture.